Hey everybody, this is Ed over at Antique Toys, and we're going to have some soldiers lotted up for our upcoming auction September 7th, 2024. So I'm going to give you a preview. Stay tuned for more. Cheers from Ed at Antique Toys. All right, let's have some fun. We're going to bring some soldiers to our Antique Toys premiere auction, and we're going to have some fun. Dime store toys are not necessarily big money, but darn it, they're cool. Each one was hand painted. Each one was cast more or less in a old-fashioned, labor-intensive manner. And things like this cowboy will become one of a kind. You're just not going to see the exact swoosh on the eye, the exact paint on the sash. The cacti are going to have some paint marks on it. And things like this lasso man are going to have some chaps and soldier details, gray guns, all hand done. Internal lot 54, but look at this. This is a flamethrower killer tank. We got a man with an anti-aircraft gun, or possibly a good old cannon. We have a man putting the fuse. Think about that. He's putting the fuse on the bomb by hand. Let's hope his wrench doesn't cause trouble. And this particular lot has quite an iconic man on motorized gun. I kind of feel that this is a fantasy piece, but it's darned cool. The man with the cannon. And they put a radiator on the back. Possibly it was based in some sort of experiment. We have the Barclay oxen with the 1849 49er covered wagon for the 1849ers. And it is being mixed in with an interesting communications group. Barclay and Manoil, soldiers, ham radio, flagmen, men that are looking over at the distance. Here we got all kinds of musicians and soldiers with a nice tent. And then the next lot's going to be a potpourri of figures. Gray iron, I like these. These are kind of an officer with Colt 45 crawling across the battlefront. More men in a band, and this guy's a Marine, where we've got a gray iron Marine, and a Marine crawling. We got a ski gunner. Another ski gunner. That's pretty rare variety. We have an army skier, which is kind of unusual because usually they don't make them drab. They make them white. Because in wartime, that's what they did to blend in. Got some injured people, which is a tough subject. And a real nice cameraman. Second cameraman. And more medical items. All right, rarity alert. Man of the Tower is quite tough, but this is an Ethiopian gent, an officer, and this is an Ethiopian infantryman, which is very tough. And my theory on this is it's probably an Italian vehicle, painted in the Italian drab colors rather than the American khakis. How about some airplane men? Man in parachute that's opening on top of a cloud. Very impressionistic. You got parachute man A, parachute man B, propeller man, pilot, and this killer guy, Mr. Engine Mechanic. All right, so come check out Mars Auctions, M-A-R-Z Auctions, on Live Auctioneers. If you have some comments, questions, please be sure to give feedback below. We always work to answer our questions and help out. If you got suggestions, help us. But most importantly, if you've got soldiers of a high quality or antique toys, give us a call. Or, better yet, email us, toys@AntiqueToys.com. Have a great day. Take care.